All right, come on.
Deeper or shallower?
Alright, that's good.
All right. Hold it. All right, just drop it. Put it like by your armpit,
Biggest so far.
and then you unlock it.
Yeah, we got it.
Like that.
Yeah, keep. No, not yet. Let it go all the way down. Keep going. Keep going. All right, that's enough. Lock it, and then kinda yank it time to time when you feel like a vibration.
Let's go. Oh,
And you got
jackpot.
some salad.
That's the best one I got.
I know. You already have a.
Let me take a picture with that thing.
Oh, watch out, son. I hope we got to keep it.
He's 17 inches. He's a keeper.
Woohoo! Congrats! Woohoo! Let's go.
So hold him like this. Put your finger right in there like that. Squeeze. Just one hand's good. Yeah, just squeeze. That one right there. Right there. Down here.
Both hands. Come on. All right, don't let go. Come on, let me take a picture of you. All right, back up a little bit.
Yay, good job.
Woohoo!